What is up everyone? Welcome to my channel. मैं हूँ रोमिला. This video पे हमें get ready with me with a juicy story time सुनने जा रहे हैं. मैं यूजुअली वैसे वीडियोस पसंद करती हूँ जिसमें मेकअप ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन प्लस एक स्टोरी टाइम हो. यू गेट एंटरटेन्ड एंड यू लर्न समथिंग. क्योंकि वो वीडियोस जिसमें बस कहते हैं कि आप ये लगाइए, ये प्रोडक्ट को ऐसे लगाइए, वैसे लगाइए, आई डोंट नो, I just find it boring. So in my videos we just gonna make it a little twist with a story time and a makeup transformation. Yes, first disclaimer, I'm shooting this at 2 a.m. so I'm a little bit freaked out because मुझे लग रहा है कि while I'm speaking I'm just spirit calling all the spirits to me, and also I'm looking like an animal at all right now. So yes, second disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist guys. So मैं बस ये दिखाऊंगी कि कैसे मैं रेडी होती हूँ अपने बर्थडे पार्टीज़ के लिए, अपने बर्थडे पार्टीज़ या अपने फ्रेंड्स के बर्थडे पार्टीज़ के लिए मैं कैसे रेडी होती हूँ. आई एम जस्ट गोना शेयर इट विद यू बिकॉज एज आई एम अ डस्की गर्ल, आई थिंक सम ऑफ द like we Indian girls can relate to the technique which I use in my makeup. And the third disclaimer, sorry for the nails guys, in this channel we don't keep nails. Like I am very lazy at keeping nails. I always get impatient and cut them off, but sorry for this. Okay, let's get on to the video. I'm gonna prep my skin with a little moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer. I'm just using Blossom Culture. Okay, so let's start to the story time. So ये मेरे कॉलेज का फर्स्ट डे था. It was an orientation class and I'm just attending my orientation class and we are just allotted the sections and कहाँ पे किसका जाना है, कहाँ कौन सा बिल्डिंग है किसका, एवरीथिंग. ये सब चीज़ें हमें अलॉट किया गया था एंड आई वॉज लाइक लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूज्ड. कहाँ जाना है, बहुत बड़ा बिल्डिंग था, कहाँ मुझे घुसना है, क्या करना है. तो देयर वाज अ गाय. मैं बस देख रही थी कॉरिडोर में कौन कौन है. आई कैन आस्क दैट ये रूम नंबर कहाँ है, ये रूम नंबर कहाँ है. सो देयर वाज अ गाय. मैंने देखा, आई जस्ट आस्क्ड हिम कि हेलो सर, can I know this where this room number is? And he just told me, oh great, मुझे भी ये room number allot किया गया है, so let's get together. So I was like, thank you. So like, okay. So we went to the classroom together and he went to the boys side where the boys were sitting and I went to the girls side where girls were sitting. So we just like हमारे teacher आए and they just told us कि तुम्हें सेमेस्टर में ये करना है, वो करना है, you need to get this, you need to get that, and तुम्हें अभी से करिकुलम चूज़ करना पड़ेगा, तुम्हें सब्जेक्ट चूज़ करने पड़ेगे. and I was just listening. मेरा फर्स्ट डे था. I was little bit nervous and I was listening to the teacher what they were saying. So there was some kind of distraction in the left side. I can feel कि कोई मुझे left side से घूर रहा है continuously. Okay, I can feel that. I was just sitting and I can feel that someone is staring at me continuously and I was like, so मैंने कंटिन्यू किया अपने ओरिएंटेशन क्लास को and I was just like, okay, जो भी है ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. It's the first class, I should not be like very rude about it. I just handled the class anyhow. Then at the end of the class I noticed the guy जो कि मुझे देख रहा था दूर से, that was that guy जिसको मैंने हेल्प मांगा था कॉरिडोर में कि कैन यू हेल्प मी. he was just continuously looking at me. Okay, so I got like it was little bit creepy कि कोई मुझे घूर रहा है. So I was like, okay, anyways. So I just ignored it and मैंने orientation class अपना complete किया. I went to my like parking lot and मैंने अपना गाड़ी पिक किया and I was just going and yeah, in the last part of the orientation we were allotted our CR. तो जो CR था हमारा, he was just keeping everyone's WhatsApp number in a register so that we can create a WhatsApp group so that all the documents, जो सब homeworks है, assignments है, we can get it in one place. So he was just writing down all of the numbers, so I also put my number there. So क्या हुआ? So I got back to home and मुझे एक नंबर से, एक unknown नंबर से मैसेज आता है कि hey, what's up? So I was like, who is that guy? Who is this unknown number? So I just replied, okay, who is this? Hey guys, if you're wondering, मैंने अभी फाउंडेशन जो यूज़ किया है वो that is MAC Studio Fix Fluid. It's of the shade 40. So he just told me, you forgot me? Like, what? You were an unknown number and you were just like pinging me. How an unknown number is expecting that you forgot me? I was like, hello sir, I didn't save this number, so what are you talking about? Who forgot who? What? He just told me we were just looking at each other all over the orientation. How can you forgot me? I was like, okay, that is definitely that creepy guy जो कि मुझे देख रहा था. He just found the number from the register and is pinging me. So it was the first day of my college. I didn't want to be rude, or I don't want to be like saying stop messaging me or something. I don't know his intentions, right? He might be let's just ping me to become my friend. So मैंने उसको बस बोला कि hi, hello, and what's up? Just name the guy something. Let's name the guy Potato, okay? Potato. So Potato replied me, I just noticed that you were watching me you were like staring at me at the orientation. Potato wrote me this, okay? I just told him, hello Potato, you are confusing. I was not at all staring at you. I was listening to my teacher. What he was saying about the orientation. You got confused. I was not looking at you, okay? No confusion there. So he just told me कि okay, so tell me what your hobbies are. I was like, okay. This guy is trying to like hit on me, but as he was my classmate, like my classmate in the future, so I just don't want to rude to him. I was like, okay, let's see. अगर he crossed his limit, then मैं उसको directly बोलूँगी, okay, I'm not that kind of a person. You're hitting me, I know, but this is not gonna work. I'm not attracted to you at all. So I was like, he told me, so I just told him that yeah, I like to read books and I like to watch movies. मैंने उसको ऐसा बोला. He shared it with me. But then I didn't like want to entertain him much. तो मैंने बस उसको कहा कि okay, मेरी मम्मी बुला रही है, so I have to go to the dinner. So bye. So he was just writing down something. I couldn't have the patience to read all those messages. I didn't go back to online that day and I just slept. So the next day, guys, I just used LA Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. So I'm using James Charles palette for the eyeshadows. I just didn't reply to him at all. मैंने कुछ reply नहीं किया. I just deleted the message because I don't want to read it or blue tick it or something. So मैंने सब message delete कर दिया. I just deleted the chat itself and I was like, okay, like I will not talk to him. So he gonna get a hint that I'm not interested in him. So yeah, that was kind of my vibe. I handled the situation like that. So मैंने वैसे ही किया. I didn't reply to him. The next day, I went to the college again. Our classes was in my first class. Again, a situation going on in the left side. A guy is constantly looking at me and that was really frustrating. Like now we are in a class. It's my first day. I am like a good baby. I was in the first bench listening very concentrately what the teacher is telling to us. So I didn't want any distraction. So I was like continuously distracted. Left situation, I didn't like it. So I just avoided for the entire class. Then the next we had a break. So मैं चली गई canteen वहाँ पे मतलब कुछ खाने के लिए for lunch or something. Then I didn't have any friends. Like obviously the second day you just have few friends, you were just meeting new people. तो मेरे ऐसे कोई friends नहीं थे, कोई मतलब I didn't know anyone. So मैंने अपने लिए एक मतलब कुछ फूड ऑर्डर किया एंड आई वाज सिटिंग इन द कैब. So guys, I'm using this shimmery shade next. It's like a very subtle nude pink shade. I love this color. So back to the story time. What happens next? That guy just sits in front of me without even asking me. He just picks something to eat for him and he just sits in front of me. I am like, hello? Like, what's going on? Okay. So I was, that time, I was really frustrated. Like, what's going on? I'm constantly like ignoring this guy. This guy is like pissing me off. So I just, मैंने जो ऑर्डर किया था मैंने उसको कंप्लीट नहीं किया था एंड मैंने पार्किंग लॉट की तरफ बढ़ी एंड आई वॉज गोइंग बैक टू माई होम बिकॉज आई वॉज रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड आई वॉन्टेड हिम कि वो उसको पता चले आई एम पिस्ड एंड आई डोंट वांट टू मेक एनी सीन इन द पब्लिक सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग ऑफ. सो मैंने वैसा किया. I went to the parking lot and I picked my Vespa. I was riding Vespa at that time, so I picked my Vespa and मैं अपने घर की तरफ चली गई. So now I'm like little relieved that I'm going to home. I was thinking in my head, अभी मैं जाऊँगी, I will make a coffee for myself, I will chill and I will just get off this frustration over me. So I was going and all of a sudden I am like listening, एक constantly कोई honk कर रहा है मेरे पीछे and I was like, who is that? Who is honking beside me? So it was a traffic junction and I was like looking towards the like my behind me कि कौन मुझे honk कर रहा है continuously and I saw that guy. Oh my god, I freaked out. I literally freaked out. I should do my liner because for liner and I cannot speak, so I should do it and I continue the story. So I just did my liner off camera and I'm now doing the mascara. So that guy just like honked me and I was freaking out. I just speeded up and वो लड़का मुझे overtake करके मुझे रोक देता है. In the middle, in the traffic, he stops me there. I was like, oh my god, ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है right now? So मैं बिल्कुल डरी हुई थी guys, मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी. तो मैंने उसको पूछा कि what's going on? ये क्या हो रहा है? Why did you stop me? तो उसने मुझे बोला कि as I didn't get any reply from your side, I think you don't have anyone, so I love you. I was like, ये क्या था? What is this? What is this going on? Like ये क्या था? So apparently उसने मुझे explain किया कि he asked me yesterday on the chats कि I do have someone or not. When I didn't reply, so उसने मुझे उस chat में ही बोला था अगर तुम चुप रह रही हो तो I am thinking that you don't have anyone, so I am like getting attracted to you. And वो मुझे middle of the road में सबके सामने मुझे रोक के he's saying that I love you. Oh my god. It was getting a scene. लोग हमें देख रहे हैं. He's proposing me and I was like, oh shit, what happened right now? God, मैं literally freak out कर गई थी वहाँ पे. मैं सोच रही थी कि why? Oh my god, this guy. I think अगर मैं उसको अभी ना कहूँगी तो he will just keep grudges on me. वो मुझे परेशान करेगा जब मैं कॉलेज आ रही हूँ and अब मैं क्या करूँ, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हुआ. मैं बिल्कुल डर गई थी. मैं ब्लैक आउट कर गई कि क्या हो रहा है ये. मैं अपना स्कूटी को पकड़ी एंड आई जस्ट रश टू माई होम. मैंने उसको कुछ नहीं कहा. आई डिडंट लाइक केयर हु इज़ लुकिंग हु इज़ नॉट लुकिंग. मैं बस स्पीड करके अपने घर की तरफ भागी एंड मैंने अपनी मम्मी को बताया कि मॉम ये सब हो रहा है. मेरी मम्मी को जब ये बात पता चली, ओ माय गॉड, वो लिटरली डर गई कि ओ गॉड ये क्या हुआ तुम्हारे साथ, क्यों हुआ, वो कौन लड़का है, मुझे दिखाओ, मैं उससे बात करूंगी. ओ माय गॉड, वो बिल्कुल डर गई थी. वो बहुत डर गई थी. उसने मुझे मतलब बोला कि मुझे वो व्हाट्सएप नंबर दो, आई वांट टू टॉक टू दैट गाय. उसको मैं समझाऊंगी कि दिस इज नथिंग, लाइक ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, you should not do like that. तो ऑब्वियसली मुझे अपना नंबर मुझे उसका नंबर मम्मी को देना पड़ा एंड मेरी मम्मी ने उससे बात किया. वो लिटरली डर गया कि ओ माय गॉड, ये लड़की ने अपनी मम्मी को बता दिया. वो डर गया, वो बिल्कुल डर गया. उसने सुना कि मेरी मम्मी बता रही, फ़ोन की है. ही जस्ट कट द कॉल एंड ही जस्ट blocked me from everywhere, blocked me from every social account. उसने मुझे कभी और अनब्लॉक किया ही नहीं. पूरे 4 साल चले गए. He never talked to me, he never unblocked me. So I am like want to do a red lipstick look. So I'm just lining my lips with a dark red burgundy lip liner. I'm using MAC Ruby Roo for the red lipstick. This is the perfect red color. ये सभी डस्की, आप फेयर हो डस्की हो जो भी हो, ये रेड कलर सभी को सूट करता है. I love this color. Like pin up, unpin my hairs to show you the look. The blush which I used, the pink blush which I've used, gives a very natural look to the face. And मैं ऐसे ही चाहती हूँ when I have a party with my friends or birthday parties, I look like this. And moral of the story from the story time is like, कोई भी problem में हो आप, tell your parents, they will handle it with the best measure possible and आपका problem solve हो जाएगा. So I told my mother and she solved the problem for me. I was like so worried कि क्या होगा, कैसे 4 साल बीतेगा, लेकिन I didn't have to worry about it at all. वो लड़का मुझे कभी दिखा ही नहीं. He never talked to me, he never tried to contact me, and it was the best ever solution I have. And this is the finished look. I just love to go to the parties like this. This looks quite natural. Is it? Hope you like the video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have to like tell me anything, I am shooting it like I'm a very newcomer to this YouTube world. So if you want to like change anything in me, like the way I speak or something, just comment down below. I'll be happy to get your all the criticism and the feedbacks. Follow me on the socials. I will link it below. So thanks for watching.